With a vision and mission to put the Indian economy on the wheel of high growth, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government launched the Make in India campaign. The project aims to attract businesses from around the world to invest in manufacture in India. The vision of the campaign is to make India a global hub for the manufacturing of goods ranging from cars to software, satellites to submarines, paper to power, and a lot more. The Make in India key facts are: Make in India is a realistic project which aims to increase the contribution of manufacturing in GDP to 25% from 16% as of now. With the launch of Make in India campaign, India has already marked its presence as one of the fastest-growing economies of the world. India is having favorable demographic dividends for the next 2-3 decades, and the cost of the manpower is less as compared to the other developed countries. India is a house of strong and responsible business houses operating with credibility and professionalism. These business houses have a big contribution to the development of the Indian economy. India has a strong consumer market and is going to expand in the coming years. The strong technical and engineering capabilities backed by top-notch scientific and technical institutes are an added advantage to boost this campaign. Let us know what are the comparisons with China. China is far ahead in manufacturing, but it is projected that India is going to give a straight fight to China in the manufacturing sector. The labor cost in China is increasing continuously, and this may lead to the increased cost of the goods manufactured. This will open a way to India to increase the manufacturing capabilities to serve the cheap manufactured goods to the world. China may lose its dominant position as the factory of the world in the near future because of its diluting quality of goods despite good manufacturing facilities. RBI Governor Narendra made a statement that the world cannot accommodate two Chinas, but cannot stop India from becoming a successful exporter. Although China exports 12% of the world's merchandise, while India is having less than 2% given its massive labor force and considerably lower wages, India can snatch another 2 percentage points from China in the next 4 years. That alone could give a huge boost to the Make in India for the global economy campaign. Till 1978, China remained a closed-door economy and way behind India. China marched on the path of steep economic growth only after it opened its doors to the world market. Indian economy has been on the path of consistent growth, but earlier couldn't take off well as it focused on exporting more of raw material and less of finished goods. India can become a manufacturing hub with growth in exports. Since Make in India is focused on attracting the foreign investors to set up their units in India, manufacture here and export to rest of the world, Make in India is going to be realistic to a great extent, although it will take time to surpass the growth of China. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.